MetroCount, the traffic data specialists.
Let's assume this logger's been out on site for a week gathering data, and we now want to unload the information from the logger. So we just connect up our comms lead. The first thing we generally would do is choose the RSU tab to check that we have recorded some information and that the data details are still correct. North Coogee, Socrates Parade. Now what we do is choose unload. We'll choose stop the RSU after unloading. We'll use the default folder. Choose next. Are you sure you want to stop the roadside unit? We'll choose yes. This will be the folder structure that's created. Start unload. Now because this logger was just used in the office for demonstration purposes, it actually hasn't recorded any data. But normally, if the logger had been out on site recording real traffic, MTE would draw a trace of the data as it's doing the unload. Choose close. Now we check the status again. Notice how after we've done an unload, the data is not erased. The data stays in the logger until you set it up for the next survey. All that simply changes is that the logger's status changes from active running normally to not active. And you can also see that when I unplug the comms lead, the heart LED changes to flashing once every 8 seconds, indicating that the logger is not active or asleep. And while the logger's asleep, it's using virtually no power. Now we can take this logger to the next survey location and start another survey. So just recapping logger operations, it's a straightforward matter of checking the roadside unit status, setting up the logger, filling out that data entry form with all the parameters that you need for your survey, viewing and then unloading the data at the end of the survey.